Vanakkam. Today is day 3 of the 31-day beginner's baby steps of the Fly Lady organizing system. So, inniki day 3 la avanga enna kuduthirukanga romba simple. So this is very very simple. When we start something new, and that too when we do not have the consistency concept in us, we will start afresh. Okay, we are taking up this challenge. இந்த சேலஞ்ச் எடுத்துக்கிறோம், பண்ண போகிறோம், பண்ணி காட்டுறோம் அப்படின்னு ஆரம்பிப்போம். ஒரு நாள் பண்ணுவோம், 2 நாள் பண்ணுவோம், 3ஆவது நாள் ஸ்வைங் ஜஸ்ட் கோ டவுன் த ட்ரெயின். ஸோ அதுக்கு டே 3ல அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா, இன்னொரு சேலஞ்ச் டே 1 அண்ட் டே 2வை கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்கள். Pat yourself on the back, tell yourself you have done well. Day 1 and day 2வை கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்கள், which is shining your sink and dressing head to toe. So I have to update about dressing head to toe. None of those days have I been daily I'm going to do it today, I'm going to do it today, but I actually didn't do. So hoping this week, let's see how consistent I get with the day 2 of dressing head to toe, which is those 2 videos I will leave in the description box below, and the full playlist in our description box about these challenges. It's also available in her own website. There is no paid promotion. We are going to get organized ourselves before organizing anybody else or anything else around us. That's also another important tool that happens in this 31-day process of the Fly Lady system. Stay safe, happy, healthy, happy, joyful, happy, joyful, sandoshama irunga. So see you in day 4 of the 30-day challenge. Hey guys, vanakkam. Welcome back to Simply at Home. வணக்கம்.